Give me 1 sec, Ethan.
All right. Yeah, because I can't give the 1.2, the 1 point totally vested officers.
Damn.
Again, when you pulled up beside, I'll give him that charge since you can't, Ethan.
All right, copy that, sir.
Sir, still, you're going to be getting 2.2 for damage to private property.
Man, take him to the fucking garage.
Or
Like,
state, I mean.
doing all that talk.
I can give a civil violations.
You can, but since you're arresting,
I had to
you
put a
should.
cloud bit
I
on
can
so
only do the
that
ones
thing
that you
didn't get
can't
ripped
since
off.
you're the arresting.
Then I had to take a picture.
So give him the 2.1.
And then I'm gonna go hang out with the birthday.
All right, officer. I'm just gonna go inside.
Yep.
Be quiet.
What size, nigga?